Hello Capricorn, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. So, anong nangyayari sa inyong romantic situation? This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pero pwede nyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Thank you so much, Capricorn. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano yung mga energies and messages for you, Capricorn. Merong hammer, sabotage, rebuilding, interrogation, repetitive, persistent, working on it. Yeah. Sabotage. Sabotahe. Okay? Sa relationship. Merong interrogation na nangyayari. Pag-uusap. Yeah. Repetitive. Parang paulit-ulit. Yeah. Someone is also defensive in the situation. Okay? Photograph, looking at your photos, missing you, nostalgia, make new memories, okay? They are looking at your photos, videos, okay, memories together. Namimiss ka ng someone, Capricorn. Okay? Or this is you are doing this, ginagawa mo to, namimiss mo yung person nyo. Okay? Nagpa-browse kayo ng inyong mga photos sa phone. Okay? Or even in your social media. Separation. Sadness, missing you, thinking about you, yearning, unsure of future, okay? Merong separation na nangyari, okay? Now, parang hindi nyo alam kung anong mangyayari next. Mayroong abandonment issue for some of you, Capricorn. Not today. Not dealing, hurt, avoiding a conversation, call or person, boundaries, still angry. Although you miss the person, okay? But you don't want to take the call or the text message, okay? You are avoiding the person. You are still angry with the person, okay? With your person. This is for some of you. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest, okay? Capricorn. Messages and energies for Capricorn, please. Capricorn. Energies and messages for Capricorn. I am blocked. Okay. I don't know who I am anymore. Parang nabablock ang inyong energy. Okay. Merong negativities, anger, and hate. Frustrated ka or disappointed in your situation. That's why you are blocked. Okay. One more for Capricorn. Don't put up with my BS. Okay. That is for some of you. Mainit ang ulo ninyo. Okay. Let's see from the tarot. Capricorn. Messages on love and romance for Capricorn. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you are dealing with a Capricorn, okay, Leo or Libra, okay. Merong unhealthy pattern in the relationship, okay. Yeah. Okay. There is happening, may nangyayari sa person ninyo na hindi maganda. Siguro involved siya sa unhealthy activities or unhealthy relationship. Okay? Now, you don't know kung anong nangyayari sa situation nyo. Merong sleepless nights, nag-cause sa inyo ng trouble. Capricorn. Parang hindi kayo makapag-isip ng maayos. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, merong negligence sa part ng person ninyo. Okay? Yeah. You are committed to this person. You want, parang gusto mo magkaroon ng long-term na commitment with this person. Very hopeful ka sa inyong relationship. But then, merong unhealthy pattern sa relationship na nag-cause ng trouble. Okay? Parang lagi mong naiisip. Okay? Yeah. Ten of Swords. Parang nahihirapan din ngayon yung person ninyo, okay? Sa kanyang sitwasyon. That's why he or she is not moving forward. Okay? Merong guilt from your person. Devil. Let's see ano tong the devil. Yeah, the hermit. Yeah. So, na-realize ng person ninyo yung kanyang mga wrongdoings, yung mga hindi niyang ginagawa, yung mga hindi magandang ginagawa, okay, sa inyong relasyon. Merong enlightenment sa part niya, merong reflection, okay. He or she feels guilty about sa nangyari sa situation ninyong dalawa. Okay. Yeah. Yung person ninyo kailangan ng enlightenment para sa kanya. Okay. Ano tong Nine of Swords? Page of Wands. Yes. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, parang nawalan ka ng gana sa relationship. Okay. May problema about moving forward. Stagnant. You are hurt. Capricorn. Parang hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari the next day or sa mga susunod na araw, okay? Yeah. Also, your person is thinking about the future. Parang hindi na siya ganun ka-confident sa inyong relationship. As well as you, Capricorn. Okay. Eight of Wands. Yeah. For some of you, your person will send you messages, okay? Dahil nagkaroon ng negligence sa part ng person ninyo, and now, nararamdaman niya yung guilt sa kanyang mga ginawa. Okay? Mga unhealthy patterns sa relationship, addiction, sex, third party, okay? Abuse, physical attraction towards another person. Okay? Yeah. So your person may be sending you gifts, attention, or time, messages, whatever, para kunin ang inyong atensyon. Okay? Merong realization sa part niya. Okay. But you know, you have high hopes with this person. Gusto mo yung long-term relationship sa kanya. But then, it was broken because of this. Okay? Merong trust issues. Hindi mo alam kung mapagkakatiwalaan mo pa uli ang person ninyo. Yeah, for some of you, you're about to get married with this person, but then merong changes na nangyayari. Maybe your person is a public figure, okay? Or parang recognize siya, maybe an artist, okay? Meron kang high hopes sa person na to, and you're longing ka sa commitment, long-term commitment sa person na to. But you don't know kung anong nangyayari sa person ninyo din, but merong guilt sa part ng person ninyo. He or she is sending messages to you. Okay? Yeah, marami din nangyayari sa person ninyo. Okay, difficulties, backstabbing. Okay? And parang burden na rin siya sa kanyang sitwasyon, sa kanyang ginagawa. Okay? Yeah, now you don't know. Now, ngayon yung person nyo, parang hindi niya alam kung paano ma-improve ang inyong relationship, paano ayusin. Okay? Okay. Kailangan niya magkaroon ng courage to approach you. Okay. Kailangan niya mag-open up sa inyo. And kailangan ng transparency sa mga nangyayari sa kanya. Okay? Four of Cups. Yeah, Ace of Wands. Yeah, for some of you, you are waiting. Okay? Merong pag-aantay na mangyayari sa sitwasyon. Okay? disinterested or uninterested. Okay? Sa relasyon, merong boredom. Okay? Parang kulang ng excitement. Yeah. Missing each other. But no one is taking action. Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, you are already hopeless about your situation. Nag-iisip kung magkakaroon pa ba ng development sa inyong relationship. May babalik pa ba yung dating sigla. Okay? So now, just allow things to happen in their own time. Okay? So, balance lang. I-relax mo lang. Just let things to unfold naturally. Okay? Ayan. Yeah, pakiramdaman mo ang sitwasyon ninyo, Capricorn. Okay? Balance yourself. I-tame mo yung sarili mo. Control your anger or hurt. Use your intuition. Listen to your intuition before you do some action. Okay? Kalma lang. Maybe there are things na nasira may mga bagay na nangyari na nasira ang inyong trust. Okay? And now, nawalan ka ng gana, even your person, hindi niya alam kung paano sabihin or i-approach ka. Nakaramdam ng guilt yung person ninyo. Okay? Merong realization sa part niya. Okay? So, be patient also in the situation. And at the same time, trust your intuition. Balansahin mo ang iyong isip at ang iyong emosyon. Okay? Pag-isipan ng mabuti ang inyong mga gagawin. Okay? Consider carefully before you act sa sitwasyon ninyo. Okay? Tingnan natin. Meron pa yung mga ibang messages. Hidden truth. Hidden truth for Capricorn. Okay? Okay. Merong discontentment in the relationship. Yeah. Sometimes, I stay awake thinking about you. Hidden truths from your person. I want to feel that way again. I don't react when people mention you. Okay? So, ito lang yung mga messages and energies for you, Capricorn. Just take what resonates for you. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!